In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Spotify Wrapped 2021. You can open up your Spotify app if you click right here. You should be able to see it right away now if this right here is not showing up yet. That can be for a couple reasons, but what you can do? Simply go to your browser. Type in Spotify Wrapped. Go back. Click on that link right here, which will then also send you into the app. And that will show you this overview. If you then click on here, you'll see your most listened to songs. Plus you can click right here to get these crazy animations and the full presentation pretty much. As you can see 2021 Wrapped. You can then skip through and you can pretty much see it right there you go. If you want to learn how you can see this and share it on your Instagram story, click on the video on the screen right now. If it's not working, I've also been making videos, how to fix it will be up on the channel, so if this helped you out guys, please go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.